Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will show the inventory using a button, and also we will hide the inventory using a Android button. So for that, in the player UI, let's duplicate this pickup button and change its name to inventory button. Okay, and then right here on the button handler script, let's change the button name as well. As you know that by using the keyboard tab button we show the inventory. Okay, so we will name this button as tab as well. You can name this whatever you want, but I will name this as tab. Then the event trigger will be set up automatically since we have duplicate the pickup button. Okay, so just simply change the game object name and then the name of the button, and that will be it. Then select the inventory button. Let's move it. Let's actually move it using the React transform. So if you hold down the Alt button, okay, make the bottom left, okay, make the React transform as bottom left, and then move it to this position right here. Okay, right here, and then we need to change the source image to this backpack. Okay, so drag and drop the backpack like that. Make the width 150 and the height as 150 as well, and also for the pickup button as well. Okay, make it 150. Okay, so now we have the inventory button right here. We have named this button as tab. Now let's go ahead and click on this scripts, then click on player UI and health, and right here we have the inventory script. In the inventory script we have the buttons for the rifles. Then if we open up the weapons menu script, okay, right here we have a code for showing the inventory. So first of all, as we did for the pickup item, let's copy this, paste it on the weapons menu script right here at the top, and then we will copy this line from here, click on weapons menu, and then right here we will paste it, and in here we will just leave this tab as it is since we name our button as tab as well. Okay, then we can just copy that from up there and paste it right here. And actually we will be closing the inventory by some other button. Okay, so let's go ahead and create that button. We will name that button as close tab. Okay, so remember this close tab name. If we get back right here, let's go ahead and open up this weapons menu, then the background. Okay, and right here we will be adding the close inventory button or close menu button. So for that, in the player UI we have this inventory button, so just duplicate that, drag and drop it inside this background. Okay, we have the weapons list, then we have this right here. So what we can do is to change the name to close inventory button, and we will be changing this name as well to this name. Okay, close tab. So change its name to close tab right there. And also if we click on sprites, let's drag and drop this sprite in the source image. Okay, as you can see, this is the button now. Let's select the top right side. Okay, and then let's move this button right here. Okay, that will be it. Now we can actually click on this weapons menu and deactivate this whole background, and then click on this player UI. In the player UI we have this pickup button and inventory button. Inside them we have this text, so make sure that you remove this text. Okay, just simply delete it, and also click on this weapons menu. Now we have the close inventory button. In here we have the text as well, so make sure that you remove text from all of the buttons. Okay, so now by using this button it will open up the inventory as we typed right here, and then by using the close tab it will close it down. Simple as that. Let's actually now test it right here on the simulator simply. Okay, so as you can see we have this button right here. If we press it, it shows the inventory, and as you can see the player UI, everything disappear. We will be showing the rifles and everything in here, and then if we press this button, as you can see, it just simply deactivate everything. Okay, so now if we go ahead and pick up the items, for now we can't move the camera since we are on the simulator. Okay, let's go ahead and pick this up. Let's pick this up as well, then the grenade, and then the health, and then this one as well. Now if we click on inventory, as you can see it is now showing all of the items right here perfectly fine. And if we click on this button, as you can see it removes the inventory. Okay, in the console you will be getting this object reference not set to an instance of an object. Okay, just simply ignore this because we are adding the buttons, okay, and we didn't start the game from the main menu, so that's why it is showing this error. Okay, since on the game manager we are checking if the game is start or not, so that's why it is showing this, but you can just simply ignore this. Okay, so now as you can see we can show the inventory from here. Okay, and we can close the inventory like this. Now the next thing which we will be doing is whenever we click on any of the rifle or the health or the energy bottle, we will allow the player to use that. Okay, for example now if we pick up all of them, okay, we can't simply use them. Okay, so if we pick this up, then pick up the rifle, then the bazooka, then the grenade, okay, and if we now check it out, as you can see when we click on it, it just simply doesn't do anything. Okay, so now in the next video we will be selecting items from the inventory.